So AI is, in fact, going to make radical advances in medicine, specifically in the area.
Well, I couldn't agree more with Ben Shapiro. It would really radicalize the practice of medicine. But what I'm seeing is, as an educator, is where you could use artificial intelligence and the metaverse. Consider the training for the pilots and the astronauts. They have virtual simulations, flight simulations. Same thing for medical residents, for medical clerks or interns, for doctors, training doctors before they would see or handle patients. They have to undergo the virtual universe, metaverse. They go in and they have their own AI coach. It may be taking the history, doing the physical examination, and also even training doing the surgical simulations, general surgery, orthopedic, brain surgery. That's where the value of AI is.